Brenda Penman. She is one of my favorite people. She's one of my mentors. This woman is always so positive. And I'll never forget when she told me, Denise, life is magical. Really, it can be. And I was like, okay. But I did what she showed me, what she taught me, and magic did unfold. One of the things that she loves to teach is about the essentials to create a life you love. But before we even get into that, let's meet Brenda Penman.
Thanks, Denise. I started on this journey a number of years ago. I was working really, really hard. And what I was noticing is I was getting results, but I wasn't living the life that I wanted. I was working longer and longer and longer hours. Then I noticed some students of Bob Proctor's, and they had a different energy about them. So then I started my quest to figure out, okay, what are they doing that I don't know?
That's one of the things I love about being a member of Journey to the Next Level, is that you remind us of our power every single week, every single session. And I like that you allow us, or you inspire us with different experiments so we could actually practice it and prove the power that we have within us.
Well, the first thing that I feel is you have to actually understand who you are and understand your power. And until you understand your power, you are looking outside of yourselves for your results. But once you understand who you are, and that you actually can, when you direct your thoughts, your life changes. Number 2 is you have to practice directing your thoughts on only the things that you want. Only the things that you want. And when you do that, then the life that you want shows up. But the thing is, that's not always the easiest thing to do, is directing your thoughts, because there's so many other things that pull you. And then number 3 is a supportive community. Understanding the laws is unique. Not many people understand that. With a supportive community is you may occasionally doubt, but then you come back to the community and they lift you up. They continue to support you. They continue to believe in you. So those are the 3 things that I think are really, really necessary, because if you don't have any of those, then you're not living and you're not creating a life you love.
Journey to the next level means love. It means growth. It means expansion of awareness. It means a community. It means belonging.
When I joined the family, I started to transform. I just loved the classes, the repetition, because at first I thought I got something, but then it was repeated again in another way, and I became aware of something new.
There's constantly something where you're learning, and there's something more to put into your tools to expand your awareness. And some of them might be repeated, which is fantastic, because it's seeing it from a different level as I grow as a person.
And what I love most about the community is the love. The guide, Brenda Penman, is one of the most loving, caring guides that I've ever met. And because of that, she has attracted a community of loving, caring people who want each other to level up. Seriously, level up. They want you to succeed.
It is a really special place to come, have a conversation about extraordinary topics 3 times a week. And I also have to say, Brenda Penman is there for you like no other program I've experienced. Your website, Brenda, it is world-class product.
Journey to the next level, huge part of me becoming the person that I'm becoming, the leader I'm becoming, that is just leading everybody, including my family, my friends, and everybody I come in contact with.
It's a nice sacred space that we enjoy, and we enjoy our community. You can count on Brenda Penman to be there, and she's excellent support, and she does a heck of a nice job with this journey to the next level, and we're happy to be a part of it.
So I love the journey to the next level. I love Brenda, I love Sean, and I can just really highly recommend join this family and experience this unique and inspiring atmosphere.
So I invite you to join Journey to the Next Level family, because what I found and what you will find, getting better and better and better.
I just really want to say that to anybody that's considering, if their intuition is saying, I think I want to join this, listen to your intuition, because it's always right. If your intuition is saying do it, sign up. We would love to have you.